We turn now to an economic reality check and the latest inflation report as Wall Street soars to new records, plus what Costco is now doing citing high inflation. Elizabeth Schulze is here to break it all down. Good morning, Elizabeth.
Good morning, Rebecca. And this inflation report is critical for the Federal Reserve as it hints it's getting closer to cutting interest rates, which would make it cheaper to pay off credit card debt or to take out a new mortgage. Consumer prices increased by a better than expected 3% in June from a year ago. That's still above the Fed's 2% target, but it is a big improvement from that 9% peak back in June 2022. In dollar amounts, American households are spending about $212 more every month now than they were last year, and $470 more compared to 2 years ago. But importantly, Americans' incomes on average are outpacing inflation. That's helping to absorb at least some of these higher costs. When you look at where prices are still going up, it's in rent, restaurants, and this month especially it was in car insurance. Much welcome relief. We've seen the cost of gas, new and used cars, and airfares go down. The Fed is starting to sound a lot more optimistic about cooling inflation. Most analysts now expect it will start to lower interest rates in September, and that's giving a boost to the stock market. The S&P 500 in most retirement accounts just hit a new record, and it's up 18% so far this year, Rebecca.
And meantime, we've heard about all these price wars. Costco is doing the opposite with increasing the price of membership.
It is, and this is a change that's going to affect about 52 million people who have those Costco memberships. The popular wholesale retailer is now hiking its annual fees. So this is the first time it's done this since 2017. So starting in September, an individual Gold Star or business membership in the U.S. or in Canada is going to cost you $5 more per year at $65. The price of an executive membership will go up $10 to $130. Costco's really been reluctant to make these memberships more expensive, citing high inflation, but these fees are a key slice of the retailer's profits. It says they help keep prices low for shoppers at its 882 warehouses. And its rival Sam's Club actually did increase membership fees back in 2022 to $50 a year for a basic plan. We've already seen Costco follow in the footsteps of streaming services like Netflix. It cracked down on shoppers who actually were sharing their membership cards, so stores will now check your photo ID at self-checkout. But in case any of you were worried, Costco so far is not upping the price of its signature hot dog and soda combo. It has stayed at exactly $1.50 since 1985. Rebecca.
Thank goodness for that, Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Thank you.
A little give and get. Give a little bit more in fees, still get those low prices. Thank you so much for that, Elizabeth.